Casting. Noun. The act or process of selecting actors, singers, dancers, models, etc. Casting. Noun. A manufacturing process using a mold. Casting. Noun. The regurgitation of fur, feathers, and other undigestible material by hawks, to clean and empty their crops. Casting. Noun. The excreta of an earthworm or similar creature. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.